Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So in this video, I'll be doing the gaming review test on the Realme X7 Pro device by playing this game called Life After, as you can see. So which is a really graphic oriented and very big game as well. I think the size of this game is close to 7 GB, I think so. So I'll try to show you even the size, how much the game is about. And right now I'm using the Realme X7 Pro. This is a Realme X7 Pro which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor. And in this video, I'll be going through the game in-depth review of this Realme X7 Pro device. So let's see what is the FPS you can play at various settings like low, medium, high settings as well by playing this kind of game. So don't forget to check the links in description, friends. There is always a links available in the description below for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro. And in case if you're thinking of buying this phone, so make sure to follow me regularly, because every day I'll try to do the battery draining test and this kind of in-depth gaming comparisons as well on the Realme X7 Pro by playing this kind of high intensity games. So previously I did a Genesis Impact as well on this mobile phone, so where few of the users they did ask me to use this kind of gaming afterlife in the Realme X7 Pro device. So right now I'm trying to give you the quick demonstration of this gameplay. So first let me try to show you the what exact variant I'm using right now. So let me try to quickly show you. As you can see, about device a Dimensity 1000 plus processor and which has a 8 GB RAM variant, as you can clearly see, friends. So now quickly let me try to show you the game, what is the size of the game. So let me try to app info. As you can see, I think the size is close to 10 GB, friends. So 9.55 GB, so which is really huge game size for this kind of testing. It's very good gaming test, I would say. I will try to keep this kind of life after game in my gaming review sample videos on other smartphones as well. I'll try to do this kind of testing in other smartphones. I will include this one, life after. So now let's see how is the life after game is going to perform in this Realme X7 Pro. And before that, let me even try to enable the performance mode option, so which is available in this phone in the Realme X7 Pro. So where let me try to enable the high performance mode. The high performance mode might be affecting little bit kind of FPS meter as well, so that's why I decided to use this kind of high performance mode. So let me try to enable the game. So right now I'll be playing this game for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, I think so. But let's see the temperature beginning of the gameplay. 37 degrees, as you can see right now, 37. So let's see, friends, maybe after end of this video I'll try to record again the temperature. So let's see whether is there any increase in terms of the temperature or not after playing for quite a little bit kind of some time. So right now I did add the game into the game space. By default the game won't be added to the game space, so you need to add manually. So right now I'm getting around 30 FPS of the game. So later, once the initial tutorial has been completed, I'll try to change the settings to high graphics as well. Then I'll try to continue playing this game. But overall, till now it looks very fine. Sound effects and everything looks very good. So there is no more issues at the moment. I cannot find much issues. So till now there is no frame drop at all. I didn't notice any kind of frame drop. So once the game has been begun, maybe at that time I will get to know, I think so. So let's see. So now the game has been started successfully. As you can see right now, I'm playing, and let me try to increase the brightness slightly so you can see the graphics. So it looks really good playing this kind of game, heavy game in this Realme X7 Pro device. So till now there is no drop in the frames, and I'm getting FPS around 30 FPS. So right now the game has been started, and you can see, so real-time FPS. So I'll try to play this kind of game for a couple of minutes until this kind of tutorial has been done. So then I'll try to test the temperatures as well by playing this kind of game. So meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos with your friends in case if they are planning to buy the Realme X7 Pro. So definitely you should know whether to buy this phone or not. So overall, there's no drop in the frames at the moment. I'm not seeing anything. So I'll try to play the game for some time, and then I'll try to continue. So right now you can see here, friends, it's very intense gaming is going on, but still the frame rates are not dropping at the moment. It's very much consistently maintaining. So toward this 10 minutes of gameplay, I didn't face any kind of problem in terms of the frame drops. So right now you can see temperature increased to 42 degrees. So after 10 minutes of playing this game continuously, so if you are having any this kind of high-end games in your mind, do comment below. I'll try to do the review on this Realme X1 Pro by testing this kind of smartphones. So stay tuned for that upcoming videos as well. As you can see, friends, right now I'm trying to play, but still there is no frame drops, and 30 FPS it's maintaining consistent throughout this gameplay. I didn't have any problem. So most of the time the game is about the video only. Sometimes it's kind of demonstrating the video. Right now it's kind of playing the video, as you can see. So 10 GB of size for this game, friends. Just imagine 10 GB. So there will be so much of gameplay to be done in this phone. As you can see right now, the graphics, it looks very good. I did see a little bit of stutter, like lag, little bit, but not much. As you can see right now, little bit, if you notice the lag. So after some gameplay, I did enter to this kind of game. As you can see, this kind of mode here. So right now there is lot of graphics is going on at the moment, and now I was able to run continuously. And let me try to show you quickly even the temperature, how much I'm getting. So FPS, how much I'm getting. So let me try to quickly show you. So right now with this kind of intense use, so you are seeing FPS is around 30 FPS, as you can see here, friends, clearly. So let me try to quickly go to the settings and show you the display. So what graphics I am using, as you can see here. So these are the graphics which I am using right now. Movie graphics, ultra, as you can see here, classics, and high quality. And FPS, let me try to select to the high FPS, as you can see. So let me check how much FPS I am getting if I select a high. So still I am receiving only 33, as you can see, not much is happening. But let me try to quickly run and show you the FPS count, how much I'm getting right now. So 24, 25, 22, as you can see here. So let me go back to the display and let me select the Ultra HD settings. So let's see in the Ultra HD settings what kind of FPS I will be able to get. So right now the graphics are changing. So let's see, friends, Ultra HD. So instead of movie graphics, I decided to use Ultra HD. And right now I can feel the temperature is increasing near this camera area on the back panel. So this with the Ultra HD graphics, and right now you can see here 33 FPS, 39 FPS. As you can see, 34, 38. So overall Dimensity 1000 plus processor is also quite powerful enough to run this kind of high gaming in terms of very smooth without any lag. Not much lag is going on, but only thing is that the temperature is gradually increasing. 44 degrees, as you can see, 44. It's keep on increasing. So once this mod has been started, so before it was little bit kind of tutorial, so it did not use much of the CPU and GPU performance, but right now it did start to use most of the CPU and GPU. So that's why I'm seeing a lot of temperature increase here. So but FPS I'm getting around 30 to maximum or 36, 38. I'll try to play this kind of game in this phone for a couple of days, and again I'll try to post you regarding the feedback of this game. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video for more details. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Bye.